Hello and welcome back to another video. As I explained earlier, I'm Mary and this is Learning Android Out Loud. In my previous two videos, I have done a video to create an Android project. In this video, we look at the files and folders that are created when you start a new project in Android Studio. If you just created a project and feel lost, this video is for you. So there are so many ways you can view your project, but the one that feels most familiar to me is the project view. There's also another one called Android view, but the one we'll be concentrating with in this tutorial is project view. I'm going to expand this project folder, and there are so many folders that come up here. We have the Gradle, the idea, the app module. So the Gradle module is auto-generated. It is not to be messed with. This one is auto-generated by Android Studio. It basically has the necessities for your app to run. So the one that we are interested in and we will be working with is the app module. So in the app module, we have the source folder module, and we'll move on to main. Now, main is the main module of the Android Studio. This is where your Kotlin code lives. Every screen or feature you build will go here. Another will go here, specifically here at the Java module. Another folder that we are supposed to be aware of is the resource folder. In the resource folder, this is where your resources live. Your layouts, your images, your strings, and other stuff your app needs. And moving on to Android manifest XML. So this file tells Android about your app, like what screen it has, what it can do. We'll learn more about it later in other videos. So I'll move into specifics. And one important specific that I want to talk about is the main activity. So the main activity is our starting point. It's the first screen that runs when the app opens. That's all we need to know for now. In the next video, we will use it to create a simple screen. Moving on to build.gradle, another important file that we need to look at is build.gradle. Build.gradle controls project settings and dependencies. Don't worry about that now. We'll come back to it when needed. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'll do a basic running so that we can see what happens when we just run a basic Android app. So up here, I've just clicked the red button that says run app, and we'll wait for it to load. This may take some time. So our app has finished loading. Now what you see here, we'll just close this. Now what you see here is what we just created, a simple empty activity running on Android. Nothing fancy yet, but it's a starting point. So congratulations on running your first Android app. So in the next video, we'll build our first UI screen with a text and a button, something interactive you can see on your emulator. If you're learning Android too, keep following along and learn with me. Thank you for watching.